Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your Oxford Progressive English book and open your page number 18. Today we are starting Unit 15 and our topic is party time. Unit 15, Lesson 1, Listen and Speak. It's party time. Read these dialogues in pairs, okay? These dialogues are between with Teddy and Rabbit. Okay, now read it with me. Teddy, is that Rabbit? Rabbit, yes it is. Teddy, hi Rabbit, it's Teddy. I'm calling to invite you to my birthday party. Rabbit, that's great. When is it? Teddy, it's on Wednesday at 5 o'clock. Rabbit, thanks a lot. I think I can come, but I will ask Mummy first. Teddy, good see you then. Okay. Now look at B part. Look at the pictures of Teddy's birthday party. Match right dialogue to each picture. Look at first picture. And here we have pictures, Teddy dialogues, Rabbit's replies. Okay, goodbye, great to see you. Match it with bye, thanks for having me. Oops, sorry. And match it with that's don't worry about it. Would you like milk juice or cola? I would like juice, please. Would you like some cake? Yes, please. Thanks a lot for the present. That's all right. Hi, do come in. Hello, happy birthday. And you can match it like this. Now look at your page number 8. With the magic A and AWS sounds, match the picture to the words. Here we have white, kite, 5, 9, nice, smile, straw, claw, paw, jaw, and saw sounds. Okay, kite, where's a kite? Now match it with kite. Where's smile? Here's smile. Match it like this. 5 with 5, 9 with 9, straw with straw, claw with claw, and paw with paw. Okay, complete these sentences about the monster with the magic A and AWA word from exercise A. It has 4 little claws. How many claws? It has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It's like eating straw. Okay. It has white tusks. It enjoys flying kites. Okay. Now look at D part. Use the word in the box to label the monster. Whiskers, tail, tusks, jaws, teeth, claws, knees, and paws. Okay. Where's the whiskers? Here. So match it with whiskers. And where's the teeth? Here. So match it like this. And you also write it here, teeth. And where's jaws? Here. So write it jaws here. Where's the knees? There, here. So write it knees here. Where's the paws? Here. So write it paws here. Where's the claws? Here. So you write it claws here. And where's the tail? Tail is here. So you write it tail here. T-A-I-L, tail. Now here we have, look at your page number 82, Unit 15, Lesson 3, Reading the Gruffalo by Julia Donaldson, Part 1. Listen as you read the story. Then answer the questions. Will the fox eat the mouse? First of all, we read the story and then we know. Will the fox eat the mouse? A mouse took a walk in the deep, dark wood. A fox saw the mouse and the mouse looked good. Look at this picture. One day a mouse was walking in the jungle and a fox came here and saw a mouse. He wants to eat mouse. Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come and have lunch in my underground house. The fox said, come and have a lunch with me in my underground house. It is terribly kind of you, fox, but no, I'm going to have lunch with a Gruffalo. The mouse replied to fox, you are very kind, but I have lunch with Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's Gruffalo? A Gruffalo, why did not you know? He has terrible tusks, claws, and terrible jaws. Where are you meeting him? Here by these rocks. And you know, his favorite food is roasted fox. Roasted fox, I'm off, fox said. Goodbye, little mouse. And away he sped. Silly old fox, does not he know there is no such thing as a Gruffalo? So, in this story, the mouse was so clever. So, will the fox eat the mouse? No, the fox will not eat the mouse. At your page number 84, match the number and letters. A wood. Where is a wood? Look at this picture. Here's a wood. So you match it with wood and you write a letter B here. Rocks. Where is the rocks? Okay, here. Here's the rocks. So you write D here, okay? In front of rocks. Where is the fox? Where is the fox? Here. So you write it F here. Where is the mouse? Here is the mouse. You write H here. In front of mouse, where is the Gruffalo? Gruffalo is here. So you match it like you write it here and match the numbers and a letter. Okay, claws. Where is the claws? Where is the claws? E. And where is the jaw? A. And where is tusk? Tusks here. E. So you write it here, okay? Now look at your C part, match a word in the column A to their meanings in column B. Okay, here we have some words: terribly, terrible, roasted, sped, and the meaning of terribly is very. Terrible mean big and bad. Roasted mean cooked, and sped mean ran. Okay, so the second form of run. Okay, ran. Read the story again. Find words that rhyme. Wood and good. Okay, it's your homework. You do this D part by your own self. Choose the right end to each sentence. The fox really wanted to have lunch with the mouse or eat the mouse. The fox really wanted to eat the mouse. Look at second part. The mouse was really telling a lie, going to have lunch with the Gruffalo. The mouse was really telling a lie. The mouse really wanted the fox to run away to come with him, to run away. The fox really ran away because he was hungry. He was afraid of the Gruffalo. So circle on B part, he was afraid of the Gruffalo. Okay, page number 84 and 85 is your homework. Now look at your page number 86, unit 15, lesson 6, reading the Gruffalo part 2. Read the end of the Gruffalo. The mouse sees a real Gruffalo. What do you think is going to happen? But who is the creature with terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws? Oh help, oh no, it's the Gruffalo, my favorite food, the Gruffalo said. You will taste good on a slice of bread. Good, said the mouse. Don't call me good. I'm the scariest creature in this wood. Just walk behind me and soon you will see everyone is afraid of me. They walked and walked till the Gruffalo said, I can hear feet on the patch ahead. It's fog, said the mouse. Open your page number 86, unit 15, lesson 6, reading the Gruffalo part 2. Read the end of the Gruffalo. The mouse sees a real Gruffalo. What do you think is going to happen? Okay, now let's read with me. But who is the creature with terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws? Who is this? This is a Gruffalo. Gruffalo has a terrible claws, teeth, and terrible jaws. Oh, help. Oh no, it's a Gruffalo. And but the mouse was so clever, and he had an idea on his mind. My favorite food, the Gruffalo said. You will taste good on a slice of bread. Good, said the mouse. Don't call me good. I am the scariest creature in this wood. Just walk behind me, and soon you will see everyone is afraid of me. Look at this picture. The mouse was very clever, and he had an idea on his mind when he saw the Gruffalo. The Gruffalo said to Mouse, "You are my favorite food. You will taste good on a slice of bread." But the mouse replied him, "Don't call me good. I'm very scariest in this jungle. Everyone afraid of me. Look at this fox." They walked and walked till the Gruffalo said, "I can hear feet on the path ahead." "It's Fox," said the mouse. "Why Fox?" "Hello, Fox took one look at the Gruffalo. "Oh, help," he said. "Goodbye, little mouse," and off he ran to his underground house. "Well, Gruffalo," said the mouse, "you see, everyone is afraid of me." The fox just looked at the Gruffalo and ran away on his ground. So the mouse said to Gruffalo, "Look, everyone is afraid of me." So here we have some questions. Answer these questions. Was the fox really afraid of the mouse? No, the fox did not afraid of the mouse. Did the Gruffalo think the fox was afraid of the mouse? Yes, the Gruffalo think the fox was afraid of the mouse. What do you think the Gruffalo will do? The Gruffalo ran away. What do you think the mouse will do? 7, just for fun. Riddles. What is it? It has no legs. It has 2 little eyes. It's a snake. What is this? It is a snake. Okay, you write snake here. It has 4 legs, 2 horns, 1 tail, and goes moo. It is a cow. You write it. It is a cow. It has 4 legs, 2 tusks, big ears, and a very long nose. It is an elephant. You write it here. It has 4 wheels. It usually has lot of people and goes broom, broom. It's a car. It has 2 wheels and it is usually quiet, but sometimes goes tring, tring, and it is a cycle. Now look at your C part. Listen to your teacher who gave these presents to Sarah for her birthday. Example: Ali gave her a computer game. Who gave it to? Who gave it to her? Ali. So you write E here. A suit, a mummy. A spoon with hands, D. Mango, Django. A whistle, Tom. A doll, Fizza. A book, Daddy. So you write it like this, okay? Where can you find these things? The clues are in the pictures. Now look at here. What is this? This is desk. You write it here. D-E-S-K, desk. What is this? This is chalk. You write it C-H-E-L-K, chalk. Who is she? She is a teacher. You write it here. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. What is this? This is a board. You write it here. B-O-A-R-D, board. What is this? This is a box. You write it here. Pencil, P-N-C-I-L. This is pencil. You write it here. So do your work with very neat and clean handwriting. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.